What's the difference between me developing or delivering something like every day or delivering like the entire value once every 2 weeks or once a month? Why it's important to have all the metrics and not one of the metrics in isolation is the fact that if you do a deployment every 2 weeks or a deployment every month, you will probably have more times with the other metrics. So we'll probably be introducing more changes at once. So you will probably introduce more failures. Time to restore will be impacted because if you introduce a small change, you have it in your mind, you introduce it every day, you just work on that code, you can understand it better. It's like, okay, so I introduced a change and it was a failure. Okay, let me look at it. You probably get around much faster, say, oh, the problem is here. That's fine. I'll fix it, deploy it again. If it's a big change, you'll probably take a lot longer to get there. And of
Yeah.
course, lead time for changes will also be impacted, right? So if you introduce a small change every single day, deployments will be a lot faster. If you introduce a big change that is in a lot of services, deployments will be more complex. There's always a discussion about if you're going faster, you break more things. If you look at the data from the past 6 or 7 years from the Dora metrics, that's actually not true. So the teams
Yeah.
that actually deliver faster and the deployment more frequently take less time to restart service and have less failures.